Hi guys, welcome back to your channel Global Scale. I just first want to thank all of you guys for supporting this channel, and without you guys I won't be here. I'm thankful for you and your support. As you saw on the previous videos, we were able to turn this project to look great. I'm happy about the way how it looks right now. From the outside, I just want to go to the suspension. So for today's video, I'm gonna be replacing the sway bar links. I got a rough country product. I did some research. They said it's good, which I'm gonna try in this video and see how it's gonna be. And if you guys know anything better, let me know that on the comment section below. I read all your comments. And before I'm gonna start, I just want to show you and tell you that this video is sponsored by the best product that I use myself, which is Chemical Guide. In this package, you'll be getting the rubber, plastic, vinyl restorer, which is my favorite one so far. And the new car smell, it will make your car smells like you just got it from the dealer. And the sticky kit that reach the cup holder, the vents, and anywhere hard to reach. In addition, you get 3 premium microfiber towel and premium microfiber applicator. Check it out, this is magic right now. Alright, so let's start this video. Guys, so now we're taking this Jeep a little bit off-roading just to do a little test, quick test, see how, if everything's working good. Let's go and have fun. Driving is good with those links. We're gonna go to the sand dunes and test it out. And here I meet a new Jeeper friend, and we decided to go a new trail that he knows that I never been to before, and it was really amazing.